Hi, I'm Dan Jackson with Enertech Global. I am VP of Operations. Enertech manufactures all of its equipment in our 80,000 square foot facility located in Mitchell, South Dakota. Our employees' attention to detail and dedication to customer service is really what sets Enertech apart from all other geothermal manufacturers.
The first step in building an Enertech geothermal system is fabricating the sheet metal components of the cabinet. At Enertech, we use turret punch and press brake machines to form the outside panels of the geothermal systems. The turret punch creates the flat pattern of each part from large sheets of sheet metal. Then the press brake forms predetermined bends by clamping the sheet metal between a matching punch and die. After the cabinet panels are cut and bent into shape, our team applies closed cell foam insulation to them. We cut all the insulation in-house using a CNC water jet. The insulation helps absorb sound and is UL Green Guard certified, which means improved air quality and low chemical emissions for the homeowner. The next offline process is electrical subassembly. This is where our expert craftsmen wire the control box and other electrical components. All of our wiring conforms to UL requirements and is certified at product registration by ETL, so you can be confident that our products always maintain the highest standard of quality. Next, our team creates subassemblies from the copper tubing offline. This increases our production line efficiency and the repetition of the unit assembly process. Now we are ready to begin hand constructing our world-class geothermal heat pumps on the assembly line. Each geothermal system is built from the ground up, starting with a pallet underneath to protect it from damage. Once the base pan and cabinet legs are assembled, we are ready to install the compressor and the coaxial heat exchanger. Enertech uses an exclusive proprietary process to foam coat our coaxes to protect against moisture and improve unit performance and reliability. The unit continues down the line where various subassemblies are installed. In this step, the copper tubing is mounted to the compressor and insulated, and the hot water assisted heat exchanger is installed to the unit. In the next assembly process, you can see the midsection plate gets installed, followed by the installation of the drain pan, all aluminum microchannel air coil, and the filter dryer. To ensure that the equipment you receive is in perfect condition and ready to install, we check both the water and refrigerant circuits for leaks. In the helium leak detection station, we use an ECI leak detection machine to run helium through the refrigerant circuits. The helium leak test is computer controlled with model-specific parameters. Then the employee uses a sniffer probe to detect any helium in the air. In a separate test, the water circuits are pressurized with nitrogen to a set value, and then the circuit must hold the pressure for a set amount of time to pass the test and move down the line. Once leak detection is complete, the blower motor is assembled and installed. Then the unit moves on to the evacuation and charge station. The unit gets hooked up to the process charging tubes, vacuumed twice, and then we add in the refrigerant charge based on model and serial number. The refrigerant charge is computer controlled and is pulled directly from the bill of materials. This eliminates the possibility of the operator selecting the wrong charge amount. Now that the geothermal system is fully equipped with high quality internal systems and components, it's ready to have its attractive exterior panels installed. Before we ship the unit out the door, it has to complete one more series of tests in the run test station. The unit is connected to water and electrical lines to inspect the control box and other systems to ensure that the unit you receive will be operational and problem-free. Each unit is tested in all heating and cooling modes because we want every unit that leaves our factory to live up to the high standard of quality we've come to be known for. After run testing is complete, we put the finishing touches on the system, add the labels and documentation, and give it a spot-free shine. Then the unit goes through one final end-of-the-line quality inspection that includes visual checks of the sheet metal, insulation, and wiring, and a halogen leak detection procedure. Then it's packaged and shipped to one of our dealer or distributor partners, and finally installed in the home of the newest member of the Enertech family. We believe that our geothermal system should be easy for contractors to install and homeowners to enjoy. That's why our goal has always been geothermal made better.
At the manufacturing level, our attention to detail and commitment to continuous improvement is what allows us to produce the top quality equipment on the market. Geothermal made better.